John, thank you very much indeed. A very good morning to you. Lovely scenes there, but barely replicated at the moment across the British Isles, courtesy of the influence of the low pressure and its attendant front, which is wiggling its way across many central and western parts just at the moment, bringing a lot of rainfall with it as well. Some 2 or 3 inches widely available over the past 24 hours in the West Country and across many parts of Wales as well. And it's not only the amount of rainfall, but there's a lot of cloud around as well, as you can see there on the latest picture, with some brightness just beginning to creep into the western side of Ireland and down into the West Country as well. The Northern Isles standing out quite nicely for the moment. Now, it looks as though things are quite dicey at the moment, with a red alert there down on the River Rhymney, or certain stretches of it anyway down in Wales, and further rain to be expected. And if you're thinking about travelling in the next 24 hours across many regions of the British Isles away from the eastern side, well, I think driving conditions could be really quite difficult, some localised flooding as well. That whole band of rain gradually easing its way a little bit further east as we move on through the next 12 hours or so. But with all the cloud around, I suspect the temperature's holding up around about 19 or 20 at the very best, 16 underneath the cloud. Now, as we move on through the course of the night, watch out for further pulses of heavy rain, eventually drifting up towards the southwestern corner of Scotland, across the north of England, and this is going to make commuting very difficult and working out of doors, certainly in the first part of the coming week. And that really does herald a very unsettled pattern. This low pressure never very far away, that centre filling, but then to be replaced very quickly indeed by another centre moving in from the Atlantic, keeping us at least though in quite a mild south or southwesterly breeze as we move right on towards the end of the week. More than a breeze at times as well, gale force easterlies for a time ahead of the front right up in the north of Scotland, but generally across many of these western areas seem pretty blustery as we move right on through the course of the coming week. So some detail on all of that. Monday and Tuesday, this front taking its time to move away from the central and northern parts of the British Isles, other features beginning to line up by that stage. So watch out for that heavy rain. It will take a time to move up towards the north of Scotland, and then leaving behind a packet of sunshine and showers for many folk. As I say, the bulk of those showers to be found across western areas, but this front gradually working its way up and across the country. Again, not just as potent as the one we're dealing with at the moment, probably going through as a line of showers. And then as we move into the latter part of the week, well, staying on the mild side I would have thought, but you'll notice plenty of isobars, at least coming from the south and southwest, but there will be an awful lot of showers for many folk in northern and western areas. Bye-bye.